Okay, so the second group of runes is Hagel's 8. Okay, so the first rune in this set is Hagelaz. I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay. Key concepts. This rune suggests cold winds and bad weather. Hagelaz foretells a blast of disruption sweeping through our lives. The rune is also associated with potential misfortunes, such as venom of a serpent. Upright meaning. This is the rune of the unknown, of frightening and mysterious events. Sudden disruptive things are about to occur and your life will be turned on its head for a while. You will have very little power to avert these happenings, which, like cold Arctic wind, will blow hard and confuse your senses. Okay. Now, with Hagelaz, many consider that there isn't a inverted thing, because if you look at mine, there isn't much difference. However, those who do, and this is something that you need to see what feels right for you. The meaning okay, sorry. So the inverted meaning of Hagelaz is there is a danger of silly avoidable accidents. The rune suggests that more forethought would be a very good idea. Take your time, do not rush and think through each of your moves very carefully. Okay. Next. New food. I've got no idea how to pronounce this. New thugs, I think. I don't even think that's right, sorry. Okay. Sorry. This is a rune of necessity, as its very name means need. Okay, just a quick note. Think about crossing your fingers. This shape of crossing your fingers actually is this rune, if you think about it. So if they're your two fingers, they cross like that. Just in case you were wondering. I thought that was pretty cool. Of course, managing life often relies upon a little good luck, and it is possible that the custom of crossing one's fingers harkens back to the shape of rune. New facts. See? So the thing about crossing fingers for luck, it does actually work. Okay, the upright meaning. This rune is likely to appear when you are assailed by doubt and assailed by doubt and insecurity. Sorry, there's a misprint in this. Indeed, it indicates that you should think very carefully before acting. A realistic attitude is vital, but it is also important to remember that realism is not everything. Another aspect of this rune is the importance of recognizing your own limitations and acting accordingly. Pushing yourself too hard will solve little at this time. Irritation with your limits may make you tolerant of the failings of others too. Okay. Although the period forecast by Newthers is not likely to be pleasant, good will come out of it. Luck is waiting around the corner, and good fortune is particularly likely to come from older relatives and true friends. The inverted meaning. There is actually a difference between the two ways. I just don't think you can see it on my room too well. The frustrations and stress of the upright Newthers are even more evident when the rune is inverted. The future seems more heavily veiled than usual, and you will find it difficult to anticipate forthcoming events. You may lack a clear sense of direction, and so may be easily led into taking unwise actions. Beware of get-rich schemes and false friends. Okay. Isa. Meaning of Isa. Like the infinitely slow-moving glacier, the force of the rune Isa is unstoppable. All you require when this rune is found in a reading, the rarest of virtues, patience. So all you need is patience. The appearance of Isa is most distressing when a question is asked about relationships, because its icy rune foretells a period of emotional cooling. Yet this is not necessarily a permanent state of affairs, as obviously ice melts. Business partnerships may go through a rocky patch because expected events will not happen when they are supposed to. If you are involved in a creative venture of any kind, it will be a good idea to take a pause from it. Even if you believe that you are wasting time, nothing could be further from the truth. This interval will allow you to recharge your talents, and when the thought sets, so when it all melts away, you'll be able to pursue your task with renewed energy. Okay. Jera. Jera is connected with the yearly cycle of nature, particularly with the harvest and the celebrations that go with it. Jera is the 12th rune and therefore the halfway point of the Elder Furak. The year is also 12 months, and in ancient times the days were thought to consist of 12 hours. The meaning of Jera is connected with the endings and new beginnings. Its present in reading predicts a time when your present trials will end and you can make a fresh, optimistic start. The rune's association with the harvest also associates Jera with the concept of reaping the rewards of your past efforts. Jera shows that your optimism will not be misplaced and that personal success is very likely. A new home or the signing of contracts is also suggested by the rune. Jera's connection with the number 12 may suggest that a period of 12 months or a year is indicated. This will not necessarily mean you'll have to wait a year for the good times to come ahead. Just the abundant good luck of the rune may last a considerable period. Okay, so I'm going to go on to part 4. So I shall see you soon. Bye.